Welcome back to new module vector calculus. So vector calculus, it is a branch of mathematics and is concerned with the differentiation and integration of a vector field here. So vector calculus has so many applications in our day-to-day life here. So vector calculus is used in differential geometry, in the study of partial differential equation. So the most important use of vector calculus in physics and in any engineering fields here. So and it is also used in gravitational fields, fluid flows and etc. So it has so many applications in all the fields of engineering or education system here. So in vector calculus, first one we discussing about the meaning of vector and scalar here. So first one, the meaning of vector here. So vector is a quantity having both magnitude, or it is also called size, and direction. So if any quantity which containing magnitude as well as direction, then the vector is said to be, then the quantity is said to be vector. A vector is represented by a directed line segment, that is a capital letters with an arrow on its head here. For example, vector A and it containing arrow on its head, and it is read as vector A. Similarly, we can write capital B with arrow on its head, and then it is said to be vector B, like that. So example on vector here. So here the line which is denoted as PQ. So PQ containing arrow on its head, so it is called vector PQ, and it is represented a vector whose magnitude is length here. So size of this PQ is called length, and length is P to Q, and direction is from P to Q here. So here we denoted the arrow in the direction from P to Q. So we also use weight. So weight is having both magnitude and direction, displacement, velocity, acceleration, electric current, density, etc. So all these have magnitude as well as direction. The next one is scalar. So scalar means it is an quantity having only magnitude but no direction, so is called scalar. For example, length. So length is having only magnitude but no direction. Similarly, time, mass, volume, temperature, work, years, month, second, speed, and etc. So these are all example for scalar here. So these are all having only magnitude but no direction. Then properties of vector here. So d by dt of vector f dot vector g, so it is denoted as vector f dot d by dt of vector g plus vector d by dt of vector f dot vector z. Suppose if f vector f cross vector g of d by dt, that is denoted as vector f into dg by dt plus df by dt into vector g. Now the operators in vector here. So first one, the vector differential operator is denoted as reverse triangle. Symbolically it is denoted in this form, and it is read as nabla, or it is also called del here. And this del is denoted as del is equal to dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou z into k. By using summation symbol, we can expressing these nabla in short form as dou by dou xi here. So summation of dou by dou xi means dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou z into k. Next one is Laplacian operator, and it is denoted as del square here. So del square means dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square, and again it is shortly denoted as summation of dou square by dou x square here. Then gradient of a scalar field, so it is also denoted as grad phi, and symbolically it is denoted as del into pi. So you know that del is dou by dou xi, dou by dou yj, dou by dou z into k. So if you multiply by pi, we get it grad pi. So this del become dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into k. So it is called gradient of a scalar field here. Then divergence of a vector field or div of vector A. Suppose if vector A is denoted as a1i plus a2j plus a3k, where a1, a2 and a3, so these are the functions of x, y, z here. Then the divergence of vector field or del dot A, vector A, is del is dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou z into k dot vector A. So vector A is a1i plus a2j plus a3k. So after taking the dot product, so I dot I is 1 plus j dot into j, or j dot j is 1, k dot k value is 1 here. So remaining term is dou by dou x into a1 is dou a1 by dou x, dou by dou y into a2 is dou a2 by dou y, and dou by dou z of a3 become dou a3 by dou z. So which is about divergence of a vector field. Then curl of a vector field or curl of vector A. So it is denoted as del cross A, and here vector A is represented as a1i plus a2j plus a3k. Then curl of A is denoted as determinant of, take the ijk in first row, second row become del here, that is dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z, and last row is vector A, a1, a2 and a3. So this is about curl of a vector field. Then in vector field we remember it some important points here. So del phi is a vector normal to the surface of phi of xyz is equal to c. So n cap is equal to del phi divided by mod of del into pi. So it is called unit vector normal to the surface. So this is the formula for calculating the unit vector normal to the surface, that is n cap equal to del phi by mod of del into pi. Second one is directional derivative, that is the determinant or vector of d. So del phi dot n cap is called directional derivative, where n cap is vector d divided by mod of vector d, and also directional derivative is maximum along del into pi. Third one, the angle between two surfaces is given by the formula. So if phi1 of xyz equal to c1 and pi of xyz is equal to c2. So pi1 of xyz c1, pi2 of xyz equal to c2 be the equations of the two surfaces, then the formula is cos theta equal to del phi1 dot del phi2 whole divided by mod of del phi 1 into mod of del phi 2, where theta be the angle between the two normals. So del phi 1 mod of del phi means take the square root of del phi 1 and square root of del pi 2. Next point is solenoidal vector. So solenoidal vector means del dot vector v equal to 0, then it is called solenoidal, and del cross v is equal to 0, then it is called irrotational vector. That is, divergence is the vector v whose divergence is 0, then it is solenoidal. A vector v with curl of v equal to 0, then it is called irrotational vector here. So now we will solving few examples on vector normal, directional derivative, angle between two surfaces, solenoidal and irrotational vector.